AMD's Ryzen processors have taken the computing world by storm. They offer incredible performance at competitive prices. Gamers and content creators have embraced Ryzen CPUs. These processors deliver exceptional power efficiency. They compete aggressively with Intel's offerings. This essay will focus on the Ryzen 7 5700X. This processor packs a punch for both work and play. The Ryzen 7 5700X boasts 8 cores and 16 threads. This allows for smooth multitasking and demanding workloads. Built on the Zen 3 architecture, it has a base clock speed of 3.4 GHz. This can boost up to 4.6 GHz when needed. The processor has a 32 MB L3 cache for rapid data access. It is built on a 7-nanometer manufacturing process. This ensures efficient power consumption and thermal performance. The Ryzen 7 5700X handles modern games with ease. Its high core and thread count ensure smooth gameplay. The powerful CPU can keep up with demanding AAA titles. Content creators will appreciate its rendering and encoding capabilities. The 5700X can handle video editing, 3D modeling, and streaming effortlessly. Whether gaming or creating, the 5700X delivers exceptional performance. The Ryzen 7 5700X offers an impressive price-to-performance ratio. It outperforms many processors in its price range. Its performance rivals even some higher-end CPUs. This makes it a great option for budget-conscious builders. The 5700X provides a compelling blend of performance and value. It is a solid investment for gamers and content creators alike.